Hello, welcome to Multi-Bhasha Learning. Today we will learn file and its types. Before looking into different types of files, let us see the meaning of file. File means a person who loves or has a fondness for a specified thing. Let's get started with ailurophile. A person who likes cats or a cat lover is called as ailurophile. Next is anthophile. Anthophile is a person who is fond of flowers or someone who appreciates flowers. Arctophile is a person who collects or is very fond of teddy bears. Someone who loves stars or astronomy is known as astrophile. Astronomy is the study of celestial objects such as planets, moon, stars, galaxies, and comets. Next is bibliophile. Bibliophile is a person who collects books or has great love for books, also known as bookworm or a book collector. Caruleophile is a person who loves blue color. Serenophile is a person who loves thunder and lightning. Chasmophile is a person who loves nooks and crannies. Here, nooks are small quiet places or corners in a house or garden. Crannies are small opening in a wall or rock. Cheonophile is a person who loves cold weather or snow. Cinephile is a person who is fond of the cinema or movies. Clinophile is a person who loves reclining or just lying in bed. Cynophile is a person who loves canines or a dog lover. Dendrophile is a person who loves trees. Discophile is a person who studies and collects phonograph records or gramophone records. Entomophile is a person who is fond of insects. Ergophile is a person who loves to work. Heliophile is a person who is fond of the sun. Hippophile. Hippophile is a person who loves horses. Here, hippo means horse. Hodophile is someone who loves to travel. Iconophile is a person who loves icons, illustrations, and pictures. Javaphile is a person who loves to drink coffee. Limnophile is a person who loves lakes. Logophile is a person who loves words. Lygophile is a person who loves shade and darkness. Nemophile is someone who loves forest and woodland. Neophile is a person who has strong affinity for anything new or novel. Nephophile is a person who is fond of clouds or obsessed with clouds. Notophile is a person who loves to study and collect paper currency. Nyctophile is a person who loves night or darkness. Enophile is a person who enjoys wines, usually as an expert. Opacarophile is a person who loves sunsets. Ornithophile is a person who loves birds, or a bird lover is known as ornithophile. Orophile is a person who loves mountains. Peristerophile is a person who loves pigeons. Photophile is someone who loves photography and light. Pluviophile is someone who finds joy and peace of mind during rainy days. Pogonophile is a person who loves or studies beards. Phytophile is someone who is fond of plants. Retrophile is a person who loves past styles. Retro is used to describe objects from the past. Someone who is fond of the moon is known as selenophile. Stegophile is a person who loves to climb buildings. Stigmatophile is a person who is obsessed with tattoos and piercings. Technophile is a person who is enthusiastic about new technology. Thalassophile is someone who is fond of the sea or ocean. Turophile is someone who loves cheese. Umbraphile is the one who loves eclipses and often travels to see them. Xanthophile is a person who loves the color yellow. Xenophile is a person who is fond of foreign people and culture. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit like button and share this video with your friends and family. Also, subscribe to Multibhasha Learning channel for more educational and motivational videos.